Hi guys, welcome back to the Home and Homestead. Today we'll be doing some money saving tips where we'll make some DIY carpet cleaner solution. So this ends up being a homemade carpet cleaner concentrate solution that you can put into your carpet shampooer machine, your spot cleaner, or you can even create a pre-treatment spray for your carpets, rugs, and upholstery. So follow along when we make this easy homemade carpet cleaner solution that is pennies on the dollar of the store-bought versions. So for this homemade carpet cleaner solution, this ends up being the concentrate. So if you have a carpet cleaner machine that has a separate concentrate solution reservoir than the water, then you would put this directly into that concentrate tank. If you have a kind that you make the premix, then you'd use the designated amount of concentrate, which we will make today, and add the amount of water that the manufacturer says for your given carpet shampooer or spot cleaner or other such floor cleaner machine. This will end up making about a gallon of this concentrate. So what I like to do is I save the bottles. This is a type of carpet cleaner solution I used to use. It works very well, smells wonderful, but it's rather expensive. So I save the bottles and I put a little tag on top. Or if you buy the larger bottles, this is also similar to this particular type of carpet cleaner solution, and that would fill the larger bottle. So this homemade carpet cleaner concentrate is really economical, and you can use it a number of different ways. You can use it on your rugs, your carpet, upholstery, but as with any type of cleaner solution, you want to spot test it first, and if you have concerns about using a carpet cleaner solution, just use your best judgment. I have been using this for, trying to remember now, probably over 5 or 6 years now, and it works really nicely on our rugs and carpets. So today I did some spring cleaning and I shampooed all the carpets and I used up all of my homemade solution, so I wanted to make up some more. So I figured I'd show you guys how I make this. So most, if not all, of the ingredients I actually purchased from the Dollar Tree. And the only thing that I didn't pick up from the dollar store is some essential oils and the clean cotton scent. That adds a really lovely fragrance that makes this homemade carpet cleaner concentrate very similar to the store-bought versions that I showed you earlier, where I use the bottles for my homemade stuff now. Now I will provide links in the description box below for the essential oils that I use, some of the other ingredients, as well as some of the machines that I have used in the past and I think work really well for cleaning your house. So first what we want to do is get our ingredients together. So in the small bowl I have 2 tablespoons of a liquid laundry detergent and 1 scoop of an OxiClean powder. If you happen to have lost your OxiClean powder scoop, it'd be about 3 tablespoons. Next to this, we will add 1 teaspoon of a fabric softener. And a 1/4 cup of LA's Totally Awesome Cleaner. Again, I picked this up from the Dollar Tree. This is a really nice all-purpose cleaner in and of itself. That to there. Now we'll just set this aside and we'll get the water portion of this concentrate. So what I have here is a bucket. Again, I purchased it from the Dollar Tree. And what I did was I measured out 1 gallon long ago and I marked it with a Sharpie on the side. So now all I need to do is fill it up with water to this line. And I know I have 1 gallon. So in this bucket we'll add 1 gallon of hot water. And now what we're going to do is put our soap and other ingredients into this 1 gallon of hot water. So I actually just dunk the whole bowl in. That just helps get some of that detergent and other cleaner solutions out of that bowl. Now we'll just gently mix this together. Just going to mix this until all of the OxiClean powder has dissolved. Now this is an optional part. You can add the essential oils that I spoke about earlier. This is the clean cotton flavor. It comes in a small 10 milliliter bottle or a 2 fluid ounce bottle. You can add 3 to 5 drops of it now, or if you'd like, you could just add a drop or 2 into the reservoir whenever you're going to be using your carpet shampooer or floor cleaner. If you really like the scent, you can add some now and you can add some later too. What I typically do is just add a drop or two into my carpet cleaner machine. I have the style that has a separate tank for the concentrate and a separate one for the water. So now all you need to do is put this into bottles or containers or whatever you have for storing. Again, I have the old containers that I used to purchase, and I just take a funnel and I pour my homemade stuff into there. I like to go back and forth when filling these bottles because sometimes little suds can form because of the detergent that's in the solution. There we go. So we filled these 2 containers with our homemade carpet cleaner concentrate solution. These are each 50-ounce bottles. And if you purchased a larger bottle such as this one, you could easily fit into there. So now we have a couple of bottles of the homemade solution all ready to go. So whenever I need to shampoo the carpets or rugs or maybe clean up an area on some upholstery, I have some concentrate here. I can also make a little spray bottle for a pre-treatment for areas on the rugs and carpets and things like that. This could also work nicely in a spray bottle for cleaning your car upholstery or the carpets in your car or truck as well. I hope you enjoyed our time together where we made this homemade carpet cleaner concentrate solution. It's a really easy money-saving tip to make some really wonderful smelling cleaner solution for pennies on the dollar compared to those you purchase in the store or online. If you'd like to check out some other money-saving tips, you can check out some other videos that I have. If you're new to the channel, I would surely appreciate you subscribing. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. See you next time. Take care.